Wow, look at these beautiful bags. Beautiful flowers, beautiful Hannah.
What's the truth?
What's the truth, guys?
Yeah, that was a bit of a bombshell.
Cuteness overload. Oh la la. Look at this.
I think they're having an identity crisis.
This is perfect for autumn and winter because it can rain and nothing will happen to your bag. I cannot already fall in love with another Celine bag. Welcome to part 2. We got so much footage at FENDI. If you haven't seen it was absolutely brilliant. And also make sure to subscribe to Hannah from So Much Design with Hannah, because there might be an unboxing, right?
Well, I mean, there will be at some point, because there is a little something we've got our eye on.
Stay tuned for that, guys. And yeah, now we're just gonna head into maybe Chanel, Dior, LV, just have a quick look, see what we find. And
yeah, that's it.
Guys, we're just walking past Chanel. There's Hannah. Hi. I always love your hair so much. Can I just say you always have perfect hair? The perfect curls.
Some days more perfect than others.
Okay guys, so this is Chanel. I don't even know, is it Metiers? Ooh, I like this little bag. And a little bit more before we go in and try our luck. To be honest, this stuff is nice. I wasn't a fan of anything they brought out recently, but yeah, this is more my style again. Wow, look at these beautiful bags. Maybe we should try that one on. Guys, look at this one. Again, I'm so into white recently. White bags, white clothes, white everything. Here you can see the contrast of the pearls and the Chanel logo a little bit better. It's gorgeous. And pink, guys. What do we think about this? Look at these beautiful flowers. Beautiful Hannah. Look at this. So my SA, she's so lovely. She's just showing us these Metiers pieces. This is gonna go so well with my dress as well. Guys, this is like a pink Chanel 31. This is a smaller size. Mine are bigger. Okay, I'm in love. I didn't think I would find something so beautiful. Oh god, this has stolen my heart. Should we get a third? Should we get a third Chanel? Guys! Oh god. I love this. This goes so well with my outfit.
Very cute.
Right?
Oh, shall I take a photo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I don't know. 80% of my wardrobe is black. I always say that, right? All my bags are black and stuff. I'm so into white recently. I don't know why. Look at this beautiful chain. Wow, look at these vintage looking bags. They're stunning. £100. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. Okay, that was Chanel.
Yes.
And come on this side. It's easier for my arm. So we just heard from an anonymous source that the bags from the 90s all the way to 2007, 2008 were not gold plated. And it's just a rumor that started on the internet at some point and people kept repeating it. And I'm like, now we need all the Sherlock Holmes people out there.
Yeah, to find out.
To figure out.
What's the truth?
What's the truth, guys?
Yeah, that was a bit of a bombshell.
Dior next, guys. Can you hear the construction work? Okay, let's have it. We're just coming into Dior. And this is what we're seeing. Look at this display. These are real shells. Wanted to have a look at the new collection. And then if I see a bag, then... Okay. Wow, guys.
Is it okay to take photos?
Look at this. And again, guys, look at this display. I love the colors. And that chair. That could be my garden chair. I really like the colors. But I mean, after what we heard about the book tour, we should not support it. And Louis Vuitton next, guys. Guys, look at these capucines, stunning. Look at these towel bags. I didn't know LV was making towel bags too. Speedy guys. And do you remember when it was impossible to get a nano Speedy? There they are. One of these slouchy capucines. Looks like beautiful leather. Yeah, look at this soft trunk. This brown, I don't know, I'm really drawn towards brown. Guys, here we got the temptation of the bunny again and the little chicken, but there's the bunny, never full, and the bunny keep all. Cuteness overload. I'm still very much in love with the bunny pieces. Oh la la, look at this. Again, they have so many special pieces. Look at the little Dior there. Just these colors. This, I don't know if I can capture it. It's so beautifully iridescent. Can you see the capucines behind me? This is an entire wall full of capucines. I've just been saying that I haven't fallen in love with an LV piece in a long time. And then what did you say?
I think they're having an identity crisis.
I think that summarizes it perfectly. And guys, our last stop, Celine, because I have seen something new. Look at these tiny little bags. Look at the black patent there. I'm in love again. Guys, look at this. When this model came out first, I was in love with it, but it was too big. And now they're coming out with the same style, just in a smaller size. And look at this beautiful black patent. It comes in their classic monogram as well, and in a beige patent, which I'm going to show you too. But this is the perfect little bag. It comes with a strap as well. I would wear it like this. You guys know I'm a top handle girl, or crook of the arm. So this is the black. Remember this and let me know which one you would get later. And to be honest, this is perfect for autumn and winter because it can rain and nothing will happen to your bag. This is the beige, and I don't know, I think I don't have a single beige bag in my collection. Beige could be a nice new addition. And look at the beautiful feet. The leather, again, you wouldn't have to worry about this one at all. Oh, why is Celine tempting me so much recently? This is so stunning. I don't have a beige bag. I think if I'm not entirely mistaken, and I'm forgetting about my own collection right now, I think I don't have a beige bag. Wow. So guys, this is the Teen Nino. So the style is called Nino and the small one is called Teen Nino. I didn't know the name for this one. Yeah. No, this is nicer. Yeah. You can wear it crossbody, guys. You can wear it on your shoulder. The strap is adjustable. This is quite a long version now. You can make it a lot shorter. I love it. God, I cannot already fall in love with another Celine bag. Oh, yeah. But to be honest, I wear mine on the longest strap and it sits really nicely. And I think even for winter, it's gonna look good. I've really seen you with this one, Hannah. Blue. Oh, the beautiful Celine totes, guys. I'm so in love with Celine. Look at this, guys. I've never been down here. Ah. Soaps as well. Okay, so Celine has again stolen my heart. I love that little nano.
Yeah, it was
Nino, petite Nino bag.
Really
So, would you get black or beige?
I think beige. I think beige, you've got a lot of black.
Yeah, and I think I don't have if I have not completely forgotten about a bag now, I think I don't have a single beige bag. I'm not sure.
The patent is just super lovely.
It's perfect for, you know, rainy London days.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay guys, so we're gonna head to a restaurant now. We need some food.
We need some food.
It's been a long morning already. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here because we all do have the same
Luxury disease.
Yes, we do. And make sure to go and subscribe to Hannah, of course. I'm gonna link her channel in the description box below.
Thank you, guys.
And we see you again soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, sugar.
Okay, and look at this goodness. Oh my god. It looks so delicious. Sugar, wobble yours. Wobble yours. Let's see how, how wobbly they are.
Bon appetit, sugar. Happy birthday.
Look at the clouds today, Sugar. So pretty. And Buckingham Palace. That's why I love London, guys. Look at this beauty. Oh wow! This is a nice place, huh, Sugar?
Super nice.
Super nice. But then you look up and you see this. Yes? So guys, today, what are we doing?
You think it's for me, but it's not.
It's for me, because I am the biggest nerd. Oh, look at this. I always wanted a Mio plush. I'm such a nerd. I'm such a nerd. Like, I'm hunting for the Pokemon Soul Silver edition for the Nintendo DS, like the vintage version. I'm such a nerd, guys. I collect Funko Pops as well. I don't know if you knew that about me. Oh my god, I remember these folders. I'm in heaven. Plushy heaven. They have Mews. But this is not the nicest one. Look, Cider. And Jigglypuff, one of my all-time favorites. Oh my god, guys. My childhood. I had all of these consoles. We found one seller who has it, Soul Silver, but it's £250.
What's this? A Chanel bag?
This is what I was looking for, guys. The other guy was selling it for £250. This is £120. And oh my god, my childhood. These are the original versions that I played when I was like, I don't know, 6, 7. Look at this. What did you just get me?
Not the 250 quid game.
And there we go. There we got them, and I think they're £200 again. It's mint condition.
The mint.
Yeah. Oh yes. It's like my birthday comes up in September, but no. So I have no idea into which video I will cut this, but that's the other side of me. I'm just a nerd at heart, right? Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same
Luxury disease.
luxury disease. And I see you again soon.